Hello everyone, I have another package from China, from Banggood, and I guess this is my first time seeing this Banggood packaging, but it doesn't really matter as long as it is what I ordered. So let's see what's inside this package. Actually, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's like a digital caliper or something like that, but I'm gonna put it into the title of this video so you can read it what it is. So it's sealed with a simple tape, and there is not too many information on this little plastic box. There is still a little more tape on it, and let me try to open it. Okay, actually I'm not sure. Yes, it opens from this way to like that. So they included 2 battery. It's a nice thing. It is I'm trying to show it. Maybe it's gonna focus so you can probably see what kind of battery it is. Let me show something. It's probably it's missing a little plastic thing what would like separate the battery from what is, I don't know what it's called, so I guess you know what I mean. So it what I meant, it's already on the screen, so it probably already sunk some of the battery. So here's a little paper. I'm just showing it, so if you are interested and if it's focused enough, you can pause the video and read it if you want. So let me take it out from this plastic. So it's not for myself, it's for my dad. Originally I thought I'm gonna get it for him for his birthday, but it ended up I got something else, so maybe for Christmas or sometimes, or maybe for his birthday next to the other presents. So I guess you know what it's so I guess you can guess what it is, but let me tell you, it's closed completely and it's already showing it's showing like 555 millimeter. But let me try to. Okay, close 0. Okay, now it's 0. So if I open it, okay, let me try to measure something, because it's something to measure the thickness of something. So let me try to. Aha, okay. So here is this little thing. Sorry about my hand, it's still my allergy something. So if I just roll this little wheel or whatever here, then it's nicely smoothly opening. All right, and I closed it and it's showing 127 millimeter. So far it doesn't seem to be too how to say, too reliable. And also let me show, like probably you can see that there is scratches on this, so probably it's like a plastic layer over the screen, but it already has scratches. Let me try to turn off and turn on again. Okay, 0. Okay, so just to try to measure something. So it's saying it's 11.75. I mean 11.71 millimeter. So I'm not exactly sure that which part should be, which part should be considered this part or this or here, because it seems to be a few just a little different. Well, let me check here. It's 3.22 millimeter. Sorry, I'm trying to show it, but yeah, let me try just this one. So it is 1.63 millimeter thick. I think I would say it's thicker. And when I'm going back right away, it's not 0. Oh, it doesn't seem to be too good. Okay, let me try to measure something else. Okay, so it's a 3.5 millimeter jack. Actually, I don't know which part should be a 3.5. Again, it's if it's right on the edge, it's 349. If I move it a little bit this way, it's 356. I don't sorry guys, it doesn't seem to be that reliable, to be honest. Okay, let me try one more time. 349. I'm trying to measure it in the same place. 349. If I move just a little bit this way, it's 349 again, and this direction a little bit, and it's already 397. Okay, so I don't know. It doesn't seem to be that reliable for the first sight. By the way, here is a little conversation table. If you're interested in this one, you can study it. With this little screw you can loosen it, or you can make it a little more hard to move. But if I set this one, then it doesn't, like, sometimes it doesn't really want to go with this little thing here. Okay, let me try. Okay, so it was on the edge. So 349. G48. All right, it's so I don't know if I can recommend it or not. It doesn't seem to be that too reliable, and this screw here looks a little loose here, like it doesn't really moving, and I don't know what it's fixing here, but probably you can see, or maybe not, that there is a little gap under, like between this and this metallic something. I'm sorry, my phone doesn't really wanna focus on this issue, I guess. So thanks for watching this video. God bless.